In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add everyone to a channel in Slack. Communicate with your entire team. Slack tutorial. If you've ever needed to make an announcement, kick off a project, or align your entire organization in one place, adding everyone to a single Slack channel is the fastest way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each screen means, and share a few helpful notes so you know what to expect. Start by opening Slack and navigating to the channel you want to use. Make sure it's the correct space for your message, whether that's a public channel for broad visibility or a private one for something more sensitive. Keep in mind that your ability to add people in bulk can depend on your role and your workspace's settings, especially for private channels. At the top of the channel, click the channel's name in the header. This opens the channel details panel on the right. It's your control center for everything about this channel, including its topic, description, and, most importantly for today, the member list. In the Details panel, go to Members. This view shows who's already in the channel and gives you the tools to invite more people. Click Add People. A window will pop up with options to invite teammates. In that window, look for the option to add all members of your workspace. Slack often shows you the total number of people who will be added, so you have a clear sense of the impact before you proceed. Select that option to include everyone at once. If you don't see it, the feature may be restricted by your admin or unavailable for that specific channel type. In that case, you'd only see the option to add individuals. To finish, click Add to confirm. Slack will immediately begin adding members and notify them that they've been added to the channel. You'll see the member count increase, which is a quick way to verify that the action worked. A couple of practical notes as this completes. Guests and deactivated accounts typically aren't included, and notifications can be noisy in very large workspaces, so it's smart to time this action thoughtfully. Also, this adds everyone who's currently in your workspace. It doesn't automatically add future hires. If you want new teammates to land here by default, your admin can configure default channels for new members. That's it. You've successfully added your entire team to a single Slack channel, giving you one place to coordinate, announce updates, and keep everyone moving in the same direction.